Hey guys, this is Andrew, the founder of Humapedia. So today I want to do a quick walkthrough on every single function that we have on this beta version. So first, you want to go to humapedia.org, and then there are multiple ways for you to log in. You can either log in with your crypto wallets or with your email. So today I'm going to use my crypto wallets to do a login. So yeah, and then you just simply click sign. All right, now you're logged in. And then there are two ways of searching. So first, of course, our featured facial search. So you can just simply upload a photo, or you can either type in a name, and then it will show. So today I'm just gonna do with the facial search first. So I'm gonna take a photo for now. All right, open up my photo booth, and then let's take a photo. All right, now you can see this is me. Now you can simply just upload it here, and then you can do a face search. Each search currently costs 3 credits. We just we just like do it just for fun. We might be free for the future because this is a beta version. We want to test out our purchasing and credit deducting function. So that's why we do this 3 credits just for testing. Yeah, now you can see if you existed already in our database, it will shown over here. So, and then if it's not in our database, then it will scan. Later, it will show all the related things on the internet. Now you can see there are some of those are me, some of those are myself, and then some of those are not. And then there's a score for this matching. So if it's, you can see this is green, so it's a high match. You can click on it, but this is not me actually. This is me. I think I filmed a TikTok sometimes before, and then this is also me. I existed on someone's Instagram. We can click on it and see what's there. All right. So I guess this is me. Yeah, this is me over here. Yeah. So you exist anywhere on the internet, and Humapedia will find it for you. And of course, this TikTok, I remember I filmed this. All right, it's not loading. Anyway, yeah, and then if you exist in our database, you can click on it. It should be a full profile for this person. So as you can see, this is all the info that we have for this person. I have my LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Everyone can contribute, create a profile for another person, and then you can also like earn rewards by doing that because you contributed to our community, and then make us provide better service for other people. Yeah, so this is me. And then if you think some of the information is false, you can simply click edit profile, just like using Wikipedia, and then you can change this person's information, and then the Humapedia community will review your information, and then will approve or disapprove the changes of this profile. Yeah, and then so this is the facial scan function of Humapedia, and then let's do a text search. All right, let's just do Sam Altman. This is suggested, and then you can click on it, and then you can simply find this person. Of course, everything it's already in our database. So this text search function is only available for existing profile in our database. So if it's not in our database, it's not going to show here. Yeah, and so I have walked through both text search and facial search. Now here's the advanced filters. So if you know just some of the information of the person, you can simply just pick some of it, and then it will narrow down some of the possibilities, and it will make the search more accurate. So if you know this person is from, say for example, United States, and then some city, and then we will narrow down and make your search more accurate. Yeah, and then there are some industry professions tags, so all those can help you narrow down the search and then find the exact person that you want. All right, so that's the search part. Now we can go to the create profile one. All right, so for the profile creation, you must follow. Only you can upload public information. So social medias, news articles, some crypto wallets, and then some links to their public like contents they posted or something like that. So everything should be public information. No information is allowed, such as their personal address, all that kind of stuff. Those are not allowed, or their personal like WhatsApp, phone number are not allowed. And then yeah, so please follow these guidelines. Yeah, and then so on the first part you can see it's the social media links part. Now we support all these social media. Say I'm just gonna create one for, let's see, who should we create? And then we can go to LinkedIn and find someone. so I'll just find someone from LinkedIn and then use this person as a example. All right. So um, let's see. Let's find someone that I know, and then they won't care if I use them as an example. All right. How about we use Sandy, the founder of Scroll. I never met her before. I don't actually know her, but like let's just use her as an example. Yeah. So here it is, and then you copy the link, and then you can simply select the correspondent social media, and then you can do this. So yeah, now we have Sandy's LinkedIn. Now it's ready, and then upload avatar, fill in their name, and then write a simple description for them. So you can simply just save this photo. All right, just name is Sandy. All right, now you have Sandy. Where's Sandy? Now you have this profile for them, and then you have Sandy Pang. All right. Also, if someone is already existing in the database, you can just select this person, but obviously Sandy is not in our database now, so you can create a new profile for them, and then if you don't know what to write for their bio or description, you can just do this and then paste it here. And then what we are building a next function is we allow autofill. So this function is not currently ready yet, but it should be ready. And then we will analyze this person's profile and then generates a bio for them. So you won't have to fill out the stuff. This is the most like time wasting thing when creating a profile. So we want to have this function later on. Yeah, now you can select the profession for them. So obviously she's a founder, entrepreneur. Yeah, and then I guess that's it. And then industry, let's select that it's technology and finance. Location, let's see, she's in New York. So let's just select United States, New York. Now tags, those are like some irrelevant tags for now. We do it just for testing, but we will have more tags in the future. So crypto wallets, I don't know what wallets does she have, so let's just keep it as that, and then simply click next. And then now you can submit this person's profile, and then the Humapedia community will review this profile and later on either approve or disapprove your submission. All right, now we can view profile. Now you can see all the profile that you created. So now you can see this is under review, and then yeah, you have just successfully made a contribution to Humapedia database, and then you will get a reward by simply doing that. Either you get approved or disapproved. So now you can see, go to my points. You will see that you have this 50 plus points by creating profile, and then if your submitted profile gets approved, you will have 300 additional points. Yeah, so that's the reward system. The reward system will later on will later on have the function for you to convert your points into Humapedia token. So this is huge for our database grow and for your token rewards. Yeah, and then I guess that's the two of the most important functions on Humapedia. And let's do a top-up function. So you can either pay with BNB, or you can pay actually with Solana, or you can pay with cards. So yeah, you can select all the packs that we have. So say for example, you want to just pay. I'll just do it for testing. The prices is always like adjusting. So yeah, and then you can just simply click on that, and then you will have this payment ready immediately. Yeah, and then so view my credits. So you will have this credit ready for you. Yeah, and then also you can pay with cards. You can have this one-time purchase or monthly subscription. We accept all the cards, and and some of the payments institution, we support all of that. Yeah, and then that's the top-up function. And then what else? So we have the search history. You can see what have you searched for the past 48 hours. So we've searched Sam Altman and myself, Andrew Chen. So that's a history function. Creative profiles, I already went through that. Building, I already went through that too. And then settings, I don't know, not much for you to set up right now. So yeah, I believe I have just went through all the functions that Humapedia have for now. So if you have any recommendation, suggestion, please let me know. We want to make Humapedia the Wikipedia, but just for human. the reason why we introduce crypto, a lot of Web2 people doesn't understand. We need huge contribution. This is a community project. We want our community to participate in this and then contribute us good profile and make our database grow. So the more people contribute data, the more accurate the profile will be, and then the better service our service will be, and then the more people will use it. The more people will use it, the more profile contribution will be made. So it will sync into a loop, make it a growth flywheel for us, and then we will also have revenue sharing for our token holder. Hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for our updates. Please give us a follow and try out our product. If you need some discount or free credits, all that, please just simply DM me, and then I will give you free credits for you to test. Please don't hesitate to use our product and then write us a review. It doesn't matter if it's good review or bad review. We just want a very honest review. All right, peace out, guys. Stay tuned.